I'm gonna press the O.
No, you're not.
Socks on floor.
No.
Oh, I need the O. No, don't, no.
Fingers!
I will press the O.
You're scaring me off.
No, press the O.
I must have my crack.
Damn you! I'm just gonna go after you until I get you on the floor and then I'm gonna leave you.
No.
I see my weakness. It's my jacket. I need to get the jacket off.
Thank you.
Can we knock those two out? Or at least just...
I'm gonna love replaying this over and over.
It's not as funny as Josh dancing though.
I will carry on like an unstoppable train. I will carry on.
That looks like gay sex.
It pretty much is. This is what gay sex feels like.
Hey, Kevin. Kevin.
Oh! No.
This has to be the funniest fucking thing.
No.
Did he end up pressing the O or?
No.
No. Damn you. Yes. Back on all fours.
Oh well.
This is like watching the funniest fucking thing.
Get him! Get him clear up!
Yes. Yes. No, where is it? Where's the laptop?
Emily has it. Emily has it.
She's in the room.
There you walked inside, bitch.
No, she's in the room.
This is the funniest fucking thing ever.
She's in the room.
This is how many people we have over here.
Joy, stop. I have to press that O. No,
No.
bring me the laptop.
No, Kevin.
No.
Okay, we've got it.
I will fight all of you. No. I must press that O. Who's sitting on my foot?
What's wrong?
Chill.
No.
We've got Trent's dogs the right.
Oh my god.
Too high. Too high.
No, keep on, damn it.
I'm up. You can't stop me. I'm up.
No, oh, the dog. Just stop.
The dog.
You don't need to press on.
Okay. You don't. Oh, you don't need to.
You don't need the map.
Oh.
No, just fucking.
Yes.
No. Ow.
Somebody try to.
I see the laptop.
Drag his ass. Drag his ass. Ow. Careful.
I'm unstoppable.
I'm gonna go sit on the inside.
I'm unstoppable.
It's okay.
You dog bit us.
Tell your dogs to stop biting me.
Curse up you, motherfucker. Deep fried, motherfucker.
Ow.
You okay?
Hey, hey. I'm gonna beat your shit. I'm gonna beat your shit. I'm gonna beat your shit. Now get the fuck back in here.
Don't need the up.
That was awfully good, Leo and Satan.
Goddamn ankle biters. Okay.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
We're gonna go around the couch.
That dog biter.
No.
Must press the O. I must press that O.
Just sit back and watch it now. Just sit back and watch this. This is the funniest shit ever.
No.
Ow.
No. I gotta press that O.
Ow.
Oh my god. This is the funniest fucking thing.
Oh, you just okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Ow! Dirty skate!
I don't want to hurt you, but I will.
No! Buffalo!
Buffalo is blocking the door.
Kevin! No!
Okay, guys, my mom is home, so we need to resolve this quickly.
No.
Okay, just let him touch the fucking O. Let him touch.
Press the O.
Oh, I don't want this thing to bite me.
The dog already bit me again.
Here, Bolverano, let me in. Where's the computer?
It's right there.
Where? No. We're gonna fix this. We're gonna fix.
Let us watch the video.
We're gonna.
Look at me like an angel.
Don't.
Let him touch it. Let him.
The O.
Hold on.
The O.
Let him touch it. Let him touch it.
He can't.
Let
Let
me
him touch
touch
it.
the O.
With your nose.
You worked. O. R. In. Enter. Yay!
You guys did all of that for that?
Pretty fucking much.
He wanted to type in porn.
You guys could have just told him he typed it in.